from Nigeria, and I've been buying my hair bundles from KL, from Vietnam, and they are really amazing. They have one of the finest hair, I must say. Their hair are really nice. They have good hairs, they have lush hair, and I've been buying hair from them for the past 1 year. I mean to say, for the past 1 year going to 2 years, I've been buying from them, and my customers have been appreciating their hair. They are very nice, and I want to appreciate my representative there, Almar. She has been my representative for over a year going to 2 now, and she's very nice, I must say. She has been a really good friend. She has been encouraging and all that, I must say. So I would like to encourage every one of us to buy from KL. They are one of the best. They are the best. So if you do not shop from KL, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. I would advise everyone that is into hair business in Nigeria, wherever you are, to buy from KL. I'm a living witness. I've been buying from them, and my customers have been happy. They've been happy. I've not had any complaint or whatsoever. Their hair are really good. I've been buying bundles from them, and I must say they are good. Thank you very much, Almar, for always being there for me. Thank you. She was